Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about turnip greens, and I have a list of tips and ideas that will hopefully help you out for when you're working with turnip greens. Try adding just a little bit of balsamic vinegar to your cooked turnip greens for a touch of sweetness and a little bit of acid to help to counteract any bitterness that's in there. Try using some raw or slightly blanched turnip greens in place of other greens in your favorite pesto. You could also mix the greens up in there to help balance the flavor. For a really simple and fast way to cook turnip greens, and this is something that I do on a regular basis whenever I have them, you can saute a little bit of onion and garlic and a tablespoon or two of olive oil or stock of your choice. You don't have to use the oil. And when the aromatics start to soften up, you can toss in your greens. Add a tablespoon or two of water at a time, just a little bit of water at a time, to help to keep those greens from drying out. And then toss them around as they saute in there. Add a little bit of salt and pepper, maybe some chili pepper flakes if you want to. That's all optional. And then saute the greens just until they're lightly cooked and wilted. And then finish it off with a little drizzle of some acid. It could be some lemon juice, maybe from just one lemon wedge. Doesn't have to be a lot. Or a tiny bit of vinegar. Either acid will work to help cut any bitterness that's in there. And then give it a little toss and they're ready to be enjoyed. And it takes very little time to cook them like that. Why not try adding some chopped turnip greens to your favorite soup? Or add some chopped turnip greens to your favorite stew. Try sauteing turnip greens with a little bit of soy sauce, lemon, and cayenne pepper. How about enjoying a southern style meal with some turnip greens, beans, and rice, or turnip greens and ham and rice? Try serving some sauteed turnip greens, sweet potatoes, and tofu over a bed of rice. Now this is an interesting one. Try steaming some turnip greens and a little bit of spinach and use that between layers of lasagna. Now if you want to cook your turnip greens in the most nutritional way possible, you want to cook them as quickly as you can in as little liquid as you can. I like to use a little bit of vegetable broth, but water works just as well. And just cook them very briefly in as little liquid as possible and enjoy that liquid along with them. In the South they call it pot liquor, and you'll be getting all the nourishment you possibly can out of those greens. Here's an interesting way to enjoy your turnip greens. Cut them into strips, like about 1/2 inch wide strips. Steam them over some boiling water for about 5 minutes, and then toss them with a vinaigrette dressing or a little bit of lemon juice and some crushed garlic, maybe a little salt and pepper if you want, and then toss them with some other favorite salad ingredients. You'll have an interesting, very healthy salad that way. Well, I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.